Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to unblock or see who you've blocked on Facebook. Now, the first thing that we need to do is open our Facebook app on our phone and click on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that and scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Tap on that and it will show you a lot of options, but what you need to do is tap on Settings. Now you will be routed to this page. Now I need you to scroll all the way down until you see Blocking. Now you just need to click on Blocking and there you go. You can now see all the person that you have blocked on Facebook. And to unblock, you just need to click on Unblock located beside their name and click Unblock to confirm. And that's it. You successfully unblock someone. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!